Hi, my name is Pedro. I am the founder of Orbitali, and we're gonna do a quick demo. Orbitali is infrastructure for AI voice agents. So we're gonna be building a static agent, an FAQ agent for the website. You can already test this out on the main website. We have this start demo here, and you can play with it. So first thing we're gonna do is go to the dashboard. Log in, create an account, and then we're gonna go to the agents section. These are some of the agents that I already have. These are the two that are already on the website. Depending on which language you're using, you're gonna be seeing it either Spanish or English. So we're gonna create a new agent. We're going to choose a template. Let's choose FAQ. We're gonna give it a name. We're going to give it a language. Well, because we already chose English, it's already gonna be pre-filled English. And then the type of voice. Handoff, if we hook this agent up to a phone number and the agent can't answer the question of the user, they can always call a human over here. We're gonna choose a div number. If we have numbers, we can choose a number here that it can be used to call this agent. If we want to get notifications in our server, we can set up webhooks over here. Webhooks are also for tool calling and for dynamic system prompt. So we're gonna create the agent right now. Okay, let's go to the instructions. Identity, this is who the agent is. In this case, I'm telling it it's a concierge for the organization. It's gonna speak American English, and we can change this. We can change any of this. This is a static prompt, system prompt. It's given to us by that template that we chose. If we wanted to make it dynamic, then we have to set up a webhook. Agent is really not gonna do anything unless we give it some knowledge. So we're gonna choose this FAQ, which is, I'll show you right now, it's a very simple but long markdown file. So what this does, it's going to vectorize it, store in the database. Now the agent can look for things when we talk to it. Okay. We have 3 built-in tools. And then if you want to add more tools, you can read up on the documentation, but basically this all works via webhooks to your server. Okay, now that we have the knowledge, we have the instructions, and we have the basic info, we're gonna test it out. We're gonna set it to active, we're gonna save it, and then we're gonna test it out.
Thanks for calling. How can I help today?
Hi, yes, can you give me information about pricing?
Orbitali has 2 public pricing options. If you bring your own Telenix account and number, the price is 0.07 cents per minute for the AI voice agent runtime, while you pay carrier costs directly. If you want Orbitali to manage the number setup, the
Okay, well, it didn't hear me. Have to be louder, but it basically also allows interruption. So that was an American English accent. We can change it, British, save it, agent, we're gonna test it again.
Thanks for calling. How can I help today?
Hi, yes, can you talk to me about pricing?
Certainly. Orbitali currently has 2 public pricing options. First, there's the Bring Your Own Telnix plan for teams that already have their own account. That's 7 cents per...
Okay, so now we could speak to this lady forever, but that was a quick demo. So this is how you build a static agent. If you want to have one for your secretary or something like this, it's very, very easy to do. If you wanted to talk to your server, then you need to define some tools. We're gonna take a really quick look at the calls tab. So like this one, this is the transcript. We can see what model it used. This is the model that we're using right now. To make it really fast, we don't allow customization, so the voice comes in and out through the same LLM, makes it really fast. And these are the tool callings as well. So this is the query, and these are the results that it got from the database, so that it knows how to reply. There's a lot more things here, but we're gonna go over them on a different session, different time.